Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Cloud Arena. I am your friend Sanjay Kumar Verma. Today we are going to discuss some interesting thing. Someone told me how to break the password of root. So I will show you how to break the password of root. If you want to break the password of your root, you should have in front of your server. You can't do these things remotely via SSH, or if you don't have physical access, then you can't do. We have another option. Then you should have outbound management IP with you, which is call it ILO, IP, my IP, ID and DRAC. So I have physical access of my server. So let's get started. Let me do full screen of my server. First of all, you will restart of your real server. You can do with reboot command, or if you want to do with press of power button. Right now I am pressing restart button. My machine is now going for reboot. Then I will break the booting process, or you can say I will interrupt the booting process. You can see my grub screen has stopped. See my rel screen, guys, be carefully. If you want to stop your booting process, then you will press continue up arrow and down arrow. Then you will press E. After that, you can edit of your kernel line. This is my kernel line, and end of the line, after the quit option, I will type a command rd.break. It means I want to break my RAM disk of this server. rd.break I have typed, then press Ctrl and X. Then you will get shell. Right now my server hard disk mounted under sysroot directory, so you need to remount of this. So we have a command mount -o remount rw space / sysroot. It means my rel server hard disk mounted under sysroot directory. Then press enter and then type chroot /sysroot. It means I have assigned all permission of sysroot directory. Then type passwd and your super username root and then enter. You can see changing password for root. I am assigning the password is Red Hat. Enter. You can see all authentication token updated successfully, which is good for me. Okay, it's good. Then I will create a blank file, because by default Linux is protected by advanced security, which is known as SE Linux. If SE Linux is active, then every file has label. But when SE Linux is enabled, so I need a file to create with touch space / dot auto relabel. It means touch make a blank file, / means inside the root, dot means hidden file, auto relabel is the file name, and then enter. I have some typing error, so no problem. You can see I have created a file auto relabel. Then I will type command exit to come out from chroot environment. Then type exit to come out from shell. Right now I am log out from my machine. Then it will relabel of my all file system of my server. Then it will take some time. This file created just one time. When IC Linux file relabel will complete, then our operating system will by default remove of this file, because same step is not going to be repeated. So that's important. It might take some time. After this completion of auto relabel, my server will reboot. Relabeling time, it's depend on your file system size, so it will take some time guys, so don't worry guys. My system is going to boot. Okay, it's good for me. So right now I am going to log in from my root user. Enter. I am supplying the password, which is Red Hat, and then so my server has login from my root user. One thing guys, you should remember, this is only educational purpose, so don't use these tasks without permission of your system admin in your real production, because if you will do, this is illegal and your relevant company will send you a legal notice. So please don't use without your admin permission. So this is a task we have completed. So we will discuss in next video how to protect the password, how to protect the root password. So okay guys, stay safe, stay home. Thanks. Good day.